Months after turning himself into the FBI, Paul Manafort is challenging the authority of special counsel Robert Mueller. The former campaign chairman of President Donald Trump filed a lawsuit Wednesday against Mueller, Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein, and the Department of Justice. The lawsuit alleges that Mueller's investigation into Manafort's campaign consulting, quote, is completely unmoored from the special counsel's original jurisdiction to investigate any links and/or coordination between the Russian government and individuals associated with the campaign of President Donald Trump. Manafort also alleges Rosenstein went beyond his authority in appointing Mueller as special counsel. The suit argues the appointment was, quote, an abuse of discretion and otherwise not in accordance with law. The lawsuit says the actions taken by the special counsel should be set aside. A spokesperson for the Justice Department responded to Manafort's lawsuit in a statement. The lawsuit is frivolous, but the defendant is entitled to file whatever he wants.